Hello first grade. Today we're going to be comparing numbers. Let's get started. Okay, so first, if we see a problem, which many of you should during first grade, if you have 3, a circle, and then 5, what it's asking you to do is to compare both numbers to see which one is bigger. And help you out, you can use what we talked about in previous lessons, and you can use a number line. So with a number line, you draw your numbers. You could go from 1 through 10 or 1 through however, and then you place your numbers on it. And so we see that 3, and they want to know if it's greater or less than 5. So we see 3 is here on the number line. And as we move up, we see that 5 is above 3. Therefore, we would know that 3 is less than 5. And the different signs is greater than, less than, or equal to. Those are the 3 signs we're going to be using. So if we had 8 and 4, we look at our 8 on the number line, and then we count down. Or we see if we can go up. 4 is not here, so we look down. 4 is over here on the left, and if it's on the left side of a number, that usually tends to mean that it's lesser than that number, but if it's on the right side, that means it's greater than. So we see that 8 is greater than 4. Now, if we did 6, circle 6, we would know right off the bat that 6 isn't greater than 6, and it's not less than 6, so we know that 6 is equal to 6. Thank you. Hello second grade. Today we're going to go over skip counting. Let's get started. And what skip counting is basically you skip a number in between or however many, and it's basically a shortcut on how to get numbers. Like the most common skip counting would have to be the odds and evens. So with odd numbers, we know that it's 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So this would be skip counting by odd numbers. And for even, it'd be 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. That's both skipping by even numbers and by 2, because you notice 2 plus 2 equals 4, 2 plus 4 is 6, 2 plus 6 is 8, and 2 plus 8 is 10. So that's also skipping by 2s. A little higher one would be by 10, so you'd go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's skipping by 10s. Another common one is by 5, so you go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That's also skip counting. Now you can skip count however makes you feel, however is easier for you, but these are just some of the common practice ways on how you can skip count in math. Thank you. That is all for today.